Hello guys and welcome back into a new random video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up YouTube Shorts live. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you want to make your YouTube live to be in the Shorts panel or in the Shorts feed, you will need just to start streaming or going live with your phone. And all you need to do is just simply go to the YouTube, or from here you will need just to start creating a live. To do so, you will need to be on YouTube and then go to the Create Plus or the plus icon. And from here, we will need just to start a live. And basically, you will need first to have some eligibility criteria. And basically, you will need just at least to have 50 subscribers so you can start going live on YouTube. So basically, now you will need just to change to live. So as you can see here, you will need just to create more shorts so you can reach 50 subscribers. And basically, after you reach 50 subscribers, you will be able to start going live with your phone. And basically, this live would be going to the shorts feed. And simply, when you go to the live, you will be able to start controlling your live. You will be able to start controlling your thumbnail. You will be able to control uh, monetization. You can enable monetization and have many settings to do for your videos or your lives. And basically, by that, you will be able to start finding your lives in YouTube lives. And whenever someone wants to find your lives on YouTube, they can just go to the live streaming and you will have your lives that will be there. So simply this is how, or those are the steps to follow so you can be able to stream on YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching and see you next time.